In this lecture, you will learn how to link your Google Analytics account with Google Search Console. Generally, when you sign in into Google Analytics, you will be taken to this home page. Then click on this admin on the menu bar and select the property, that is SEO, or the one which you have created. Then select property settings. Now scroll down. Before connecting the Search Console, enable the demographics and interest reports, and also enable Use Enhanced Link Attribution. Now click on Adjust Search Console. If your property is a verified website in Google Search Console, like this, and if you are the owner, obviously, if you have verified your site on Google Search Console, then you are an owner. In such case, you can associate your Google Search Console data in Google Analytics. Now click Edit, select the website which you want to integrate with Google Analytics, and then click Save. You are about to save a new association. Any existing Search Console association for this web property will be removed. So double check and then click OK. Now you have successfully configured Google Analytics with Search Console. Just refresh this page. Now you can see seo.inspirearun.com under Search Console settings in this property settings in Google Analytics. Now click Save. If you haven't saved earlier after enabling the demographics and enhanced link attribution, turn on both of them and click Save Now. When I hit Save, it resisted to save, and the reason is I haven't selected a default view. Select a default view and then hit Save button. Now, this is the last step. On your WordPress site panel, come to SEO and then click on Search Console. Here, click Get Google Authorization Code. Click Allow. Now copy this authorization code, paste it here, and then click Authenticate. You will be displayed your URL, confirm it, and then click Save Profile. This is done to enable these settings on Yoast SEO. It's almost like connecting Yoast SEO with Search Console, because you will get all the important information or notifications from Search Console in Yoast SEO dashboard itself. For example, these 5 pages are not found, which could have been notified as an error in Search Console, but I could have missed notifying it. In such case, I can easily access these settings in Yoast SEO's Search Console dashboard. So simply you can find all your 404 or 401 or other error codes in this dashboard. In this lecture, you have learned how to connect Google Analytics and Yoast SEO with Search Console. So with this, you have completed the user experience section. In the next lecture, let's wrap up this section.